Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from my faves over at My First Wig. Okay, so we are back with a queen, okay? Coming straight up out the Zodiac collection. A beautiful headband wig by the name of Aries, okay? Now, Aries are fascinating people, especially Aries women, super strong women, have a very strong constitution, usually very smart, fantastic problem solvers. They got a mouth to boot. But you know, I love me some Aries women. You see what I did there? You picking up what I'm putting down? So let's get on in to Miss Aries. Ooh, Miss Aries is red, hun. Ooh, and she's sick. Let's get on into her. Now, you know, My First Wig always comes with a wonderful box and everything like that. You guys get to dig on into all of their headbands as well as their gifts. If you want to be provided with an actual first wig kit, that is also something that you could indulge in. I really do love how the hair comes in its little bag. Its little bag. I love that. I have a wig cap here. We have our pencil case with our edge control, our edge brush, headbands, of course. And we have a cute little gift, which is an Aries necklace, which I'm obsessed with. But I'm not an Aries. I'm a Virgo, gang, gang. As well as our horoscope scarf, okay? Ooh, she smells so good. So I just want to give you guys a look at the cap construction. She is a headband wig. And we have gotten quite a few of these, so we're kind of familiar. But she has one comb in the front. Okay, 2 combs on the side. We want to make sure mother is secure, and 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Wakanda forever, okay? And it also has its adjustable band. It smells really good. I like this unit already. Look at the brown hairs. Love, okay? So let's go on ahead and throw mother on. All right, my loves, let's get on into this headband wig from My First Wig. Now, this unit is Aries from the Zodiac collection, and she is a human hair straight red wig, okay? We have her in 20 inches, and she's about 130% density, and we have her in cap size number 1. Now, this unit is currently going for $283, but do not clutch your pearls yet. My First Wig is having a massive Black Friday sale, so you guys need to go and check them out, okay? They are not only giving away wig kits, but they are giving $50 off, so check out myfirstwig.com, and you can take a look at not only the Aries Zodiac wig, but all other wigs in that Zodiac collection, okay? It is such a big deal. Now, this unit, the texture of this hair feels very, very, I wanted to say human, but it just is nice and thick and soft to the touch. But it does provide me with what I feel is like my texture blown out, like a nice blown out hair. And I really do love that. This unit, the color is stunning. She is super red and fiery, just like the Mammy Tapping Aries, okay? And we're gonna let them live because she is sexy and she is coming through. Now, I really want you guys to get into this. I'm going to throw her in a couple styles. All right, guys. So Aries is a leader. Aries, if you guys didn't know, is one of the most masculine of all the signs, and especially for women, it shows up. They're not most likely, but they're sometimes the leader at the head of their households, or they running stuff. Okay, the Aries woman, they doing some things, and I appreciate you guys coming through and checking out my first wig. I love this color. And I think more than anything, what I like about this unit is the thickness and the texture of this hair. Let me bust up on you. She's thick. Mother is thick, okay? And this is Jackie hair. So I'm really, really, really feeling that. I love the way she is coming through with the come through. I like that the roots are still dark, even though she gives you love and sex and magic. Ooh, and she comes through with the come through, okay? I really could not be happier with this unit. I love my first wig. I think that they have such an awesome, like, system and how they work things as far as, like, creating an experience for people who are just starting out wearing wigs. I love it. I think it's brilliant. And I'm not going to say I'm done with hair being wigs yet. So long as y'all keep making colors, I might can come through with the come through, okay? I love a good old stinking nasty Zodiac collection, okay? Anything. Zodiac anything collection. So bust down. Tell us your sign. I want you guys to go check out my first wig. Take a look at what your wig is looking like, okay? What is your sign coming through with the come through? And I will see you beautiful mugs later.